What's up, guys? This is Josh here. I have an update on the child tax credit. In this video, I'm going to briefly highlight when it will start, how big your payment could be, and the qualifications to receive your monthly payment. And if you're new to the channel and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. And if you care about your financial future, go ahead and obliterate that like button. I would really appreciate it. This video today is going to be straight up to the point. So if you're looking for a fluffy video, this is probably not the video for you. Today, I'm just going to give you exactly what you clicked on this video for, and that way you can move on with your day. The new child tax credit expansion allows eligible parents to claim up to $3,600 for each child dependent. And if you have dependents 6 years old or older, you will qualify for $3,000 per kid. And if your dependents are below the age of 6, you can claim up to $3,600 per child. This includes newborn babies, even if they're born later on in 2021, which at this point you will be able to update that information in the IRS portal once it is up and running and available to the public. And the additional qualifications for these payments are if you're a single filer with an annual gross income of $75,000 or less, head of households with an annual gross income of $112,500 or less, married couples filing jointly with an annual gross income of $150,000 or less, and the child that you're claiming must live with you for at least 6 months out of the year, and you and your child must be a U.S. citizen, unlike the mid-status households. And for married couples filing jointly, at least one spouse will need to have a social security number or an ITIN number. So this is how the money will be sent out. Each month, households will receive 1/12 of the annual credit. So a parent who is making $50,000 and they have a child that's 7 years old will receive $250 a month starting in July. The Internal Revenue Service, aka the IRS, will make the first payments on July the 15th, and they will continue monthly payments for the rest of the year on every 15th of the month, unless if the 15th falls on a holiday or a weekend. And you want to be sure that you stay updated, especially whenever they open up the portal, and that way you can update your information with the IRS. And you can stay updated by clicking the icon right here and check out the playlist right over there, all things related to your finances, and I will see you in the next video.